Welcome to the program Power to Unite with Elvira. After several episodes kung saan po niyo napansin na ginanap po natin ang mga latest interview sa ginanap po sa Bangkok, Thailand kung saan ang 5th Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children was held. Ang team po natin last year was really about the magic of peace, which kailangan natin lalo na nangyayari sa ating bayan at sa ibang bansa sa Middle East, sa Europe, ang gera. So, kailangan po marinig natin ang mga kaalaman ng mga bata from age 10 to 17. Kaya ang Anak TV nagko-conduct this year ng several workshop kung saan in-invite po natin ang mga eskwelahan, mga university, colleges sa Luzon, Visaya, Mindanao na nag-join sa atin sa media literacy where they send at least 5 to 10 students to work out, no? Tinuruan po natin sila sa 3 araw na workshop how to tell a story. At ang this year, ang naging team natin ngayon ay Hear My Voice. Because they are young, we tend to dismiss their thoughts. We take their ideas for granted, lapping off their dreams as mere child's play. Most of the time, we overlook their potential to make a difference as we drown out their voices with grown-up noise and insist that they follow the grown-up way. Power to Unite with Elvira strongly believes that the children are the hope for humanity's future, and as adults, we have the very important task to guide them towards what is right and what is good. That is why we support Anak TV's endeavor to harness the talent and skill of our younger generation in using their gadget through the Cinebata Video Workshop this year with the theme Hear My Voice. The workshop had become great venues for children, not only to develop their potential in video storytelling, but they also get to enjoy meaningful encounters as they mingle and share ideas with their peers, despite having different backgrounds. The workshop will also give them a chance to be exposed on an international stage and participate in the 6th Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children to be held in Indonesia in 2027. They may be young and innocent, but if we stop for a while and listen, we will discover that their simple words hold deeper meanings of love and kindness, friendship and unity, compassion and harmony. We must not try to silence tomorrow. While it is still learning to speak today, the best way to encourage dreams that are still learning how to bloom is for us to pause our adult rush and noise and listen when they say, "Hear my voice." After experiencing yung workshop dito, di ba? Tapos, nakita natin yung exposure nyo, which is quite different, from being in the seminary. Ano yung natutuhan mo dito? What do you think you can do best? And what lesson did you learn by attending this workshop? Meron bang personality change o na-strengthen ang faith mo sa Diyos? How do you feel?
I feel a little bit po, like in my heart po, I feel like joy po in my heart because throughout the 3 days po, I realized po that we should cherish the moments po, like because the exposure in this workshop po is different from our exposure at the seminary po, because we encounter different students, we encounter different character of a person, and that is one of our goal to have to be kanang openness in ourselves so that we can engage to the other students po.
Parang sa inyong pananaw, dialogue is very important. Diba? You need to open up to the others. Parang gusto ni ipakita, you are also very friendly. Hindi dapat kayo katakutan, hindi kayo dapat sabihin natin, set aside kasi lahat kayo ay pare-pareho ang pananaw, pare-pareho din ang pag-iisip that you need to collaborate, you need to help one another, di ba? That's good. Carry that in mind and I think you will succeed. Basta wag lang magbago. Wag ka lang ma-inlove. Minsan alam mo, pag na-inlove ka, nasisira lahat. And you will undergo this kind of temptation, di ba? So you have to be firm with your conviction. And you are, so, best director, you are a leader, no? So, you really dream to be a priest. So, maraming qualities nakikita sa iyo that you will succeed. And I think this is what the church need. Ibig sabihin, you can be a strong asset to the church kung itutuloy mo ang pagkapare because we need young people who already set a goal, who has a values in heart, who knows what is right and what is wrong, who can lead, who can be an inspiration, and who can be the light of the group, di ba? So sa pananaw mo, after attending this workshop, yung exposure mo with other group, with yung mga normal na tao, di ba? Nakita mo from the Negros group, Bacolod, and at the same time to my Sparkle Kids from the showbiz, what lesson did you learn? Ano yung nakita mo importante to bridge the gap and then kung naging pare ka, how you can become effective as a priest?
So what I've learned po is kahit taga-saan po tayo, kahit nasa showbiz man o saan man tayong sa Pilipinas, kahit sa Visayas man or sa Negros, tayo po ay the same lang at may kanya-kanyang kakayahan po.
I agree with that. Even though we are different in our field, all of us have the same kind of skill, talent, di ba? You just need to collaborate to help one another, to reach out to one another. And you, ano yung nakikita mo after attending this workshop? What lesson did you learn? No? Yung friendship ninyo, yung pag-shooting ninyo, ano yung valuable moments mo na natutuhan mo which you can share with the audience?
Huwag pong mahiya mag-share ng ideas po.
Huwag mahiya, be courageous, di ba? And I think that is what God is telling, speak up. You know, the team natin is hear my voice, is for you really to speak up for us to understand, di ba? Kaya natutuwa kami na you agree to participate kasi kailangan maintindihan din ng mga ordinaryong tao yung mundo na mga seminaryan for them to kasi kayo-kayo lang ang nakikihabilo kayo-kayo lang, but for the ordinary people outside basta seminaryo future pare, they don't know you, they don't understand isang connotation. At least ngayon sa explanation nyo with each one of you telling you how you feel, how you think, what will you do, marirealize ng televiewers natin, ordinaryong tao, ito may mapangarap, merong panindigan, merong kakayahan. You know, you earn respect, di ba? So in your case,
ang natutunan ko po is always value the voice of others po. Dito sa ginawa namin, nakita ko po talaga na isa-isa sa amin may idea po talagang maibibigay which nga kailangan upang mas mapaganda yung film namin. Nakikinig kami sa mga ideas na binibigay ng aking mga brothers na nakakatulong din para makagawa kami ng film na may message talaga na mabibigay.
and I agree with you though, you were able to do a film with a strong message of getting together that you are one, you know, with the same vision, with the same desire in spite of differences, di ba? Talagang very clear ang message nyo. Tsaka yung sinishare mo na really you have to spend time, understand one another, you know, you value the friendship. I think dalhin nyo yan, huwag kayong magbago, huwag kayong masilaw sa success, but rather always remain young and humble. No? Ngayon, dito sa filming ninyo, ano yung mga na-encounter yung problema? Meron ba kayong moments na gusto nyo na i-give up ng hirap pala, hindi tayo yon? Meron ba kayong moment ganun?
Medyo may problema lang din dun sa pag-i-edit na. Yung
Edit.
may ibang file na hindi mahanap, hindi ma-transfer sa laptop. Tapos medyo yung oras lumiliit na rin.
So yung time pressure, limitation, tsaka yung files, which is the same case as the other, the junior one. Itutuloy po natin na aming maganda interview sa kanila sa pagbabalik po ng Power to Unite with Elvira. Any one of you, meron ba kayo na-encounter na mahirap, but in spite of this problem, you were able to overcome it? As an actor, let's say actor, paano nyo nagampanan ang role nyo? Dahil wala man kayo acting experience, tama?
Nag-ano lang po kami, like nag-brainstorming lang po kami kung ano po yung mga possible na gagawin namin sa filming po. At sa filming naman po is wala naman kaming masyadong like na problema po dahil yung director po namin is napaka knowledgeable talaga po yung knowledge niya. Like marunong siya maghanap ng mga idea po na makatulong sa aming filming para hindi magkaroon ng mga problema po.
Okay. So, yung mentor ninyo was able to share with you what is the best shot, the best story na dapat. At ang importante kasi nakikinig kayo at nakikinig siya. Yung nga sinasabi, hear my voice. How do you understand ang team natin na hear my voice in relation with your story? Anong pagkaintindi niyo? How do you interpret yung team natin for this year, next year is hear my voice? How do you relate that to your storyline? Hear my voice.
Nagbe-base po kami sa statement po na be the voice of others po. Dahil sa film namin po, merong Muslim na binubuli. Tapos, may isang Kristiyano na tinulungan niya na bigyan boses ang Muslim po.
Okay. So, give way to the Muslim. Parang binigyan niya ng pagkakataon na matanggap ng society, di ba? Okay, that's good. Your story is very clear naman na tinulungan para maka-adapt sa society. Kasi ngayon, nakikita natin talagang ang mga tao talaga, pag hindi ka pareho ninyo, nasiset aside. And it's good, a revelation with your age right now. You know already what is right and what is wrong, di ba? So ikaw, ano yung nakita mo na lesson that you have seen in doing this at ano mensahe mo sa kanila?
Yung lesson po is, natutunan ko po is like, reduce the inequalities po kahit we have differences po, kahit ano man tayo, like magbigay ta ng like equality sa iba po dahil pareha naman lang po tayo lang is mga tao din at pantay lang din tayo sa paningin ng Diyos, kaya hindi dapat natin minamaliit yung isa kung ano siya po. At mensahe ko lang po is like, do not underestimate others because on behalf of what they are different from us.
So, kahit na magkaiba, don't underestimate but rather understand them. Try to work together, di ba? At least, put that into your mind kasi later on, in 5 years' time, 8 years' time, you will be put into a position where you can exercise the values that you received that were able to teach you sa seminary, di ba? What God wants you to do, sundin ninyo. And you art, ano ang sa tingin mo, mako-contribute mo dito after, experiences this filming, winning the awards of Best Heart Award, Best Actor, and Best Film, di ba? Tsaka Best Poster. Ano ang ma-advise mo after receiving? Because you never dream of receiving so many awards. I'm sure isang awards na masaya na kayo, di ba? Pero lumalabas, nakakagulat, yan ang pananaw ng mga judges. So what do you think? What makes you think that work for the success of your film? Anong meron kayong ingredient para pansinin na ito yung dapat manalo?
Ang masasabi ko lang po is teamwork lang po talaga.
Teamwork.
Makinig sa idea ng isa at parang mag-brainstorm na lang din po.
So yung teamwork, yun ang key to the success of your film. And you, ano sa tingin mo? nag-contribute dito kung bakit ang daming award?
Yun na din po, teamwork. Kasi kung hindi ka nakikisama sa yung kagrupo, walang magagawang film.
Okay. And you?
Yun lang din na makikinig tayo sa ideas ng iba and always respect each other po. Yung i-respect natin yung ideas nila and feel free to suggest kung anong kaya mong mabigay para sa film po.
So, ang sinasabi mo, yung respect for others at kung anong kaya mo, yung bigay. So, actually, don't put too much pressure, di ba, on what you cannot do. Kasi sometimes, pag masyado mo pinipressure mo, lalong papalpak eh. But anyway, nakita natin, talagang meron na kayong idea what you really want. May motivation kayo, di ba? Na mas gusto ko dito ang direction ko. So, but kailan pa rin ang dasal for you to be given the right path? Kasi lalo na mag-graduate kayo, ni art, future priest kayo. I would really love to see all of you graduated as a priest kasi nakita ko, matitino kayo eh. No? You did not use the church as a stepping stone to finish your education, kundi there is a desire in your heart really to serve the people by using, God as an instrument to reach out to them, di ba? So nakikita po natin, napakahalaga yung pananaw nitong mga kabataan sa Immaculate Heart of Mary Seminary. Senior na po sila, grade 9 to 12. At doon natin nakita na these are the future priests na matetrain natin. And I'm so happy to listen to them na nakikita natin, no, na meron palang ibubuga ito. No wonder yung film nila received so many awards. So magbabalik po ang Power to Unite at alamin natin ano ba yung kanila mensahe sa inyo, what will they share with all of you sa pagbabalik po ng programa Power to Unite with Elvira. John Wick, umpisan kita. After experiences this quite different na video workshop o any workshop, which is kakaiba sa workshop ina-attend ninyo, ano ang gusto mo i-share based on your encounter with other people, with other youth, with other kids? Kasi iba-ibang level nyo. May 7 years old, may 9 years old, di ba? May mga artista. On your part, what will you do kung bumalik ka na sa Bohol o nanonood ang kababayan ninyo, anong gusto mo mensahe i-share sa kanila based on your very rich experience dito sa video workshop?
Take courage po. Dahil para sa akin po, hindi pa ako dito kung wala akong courage po. Hindi ako maging ako po ngayon. At courage, kailangan nating ng courage po para maging mas mahusay ang ating magagawain at ating mga skills po.
So in short, you have to be firm with your conviction and then to have courage, hindi ba? So how about you? Ano yung mensahe mo sa who are now watching you after your very rich experience here? Ano gusto mo i-share sa kanila?
Ano po, like, believe in your skills po and don't be fear to share it to others po. Because sa akin natutunan po is, like, sa akin po is, para sa akin yung skill ko po is mag-editing po ng poster po. Kaya, nag-reflect po ako, like, sabi ko sa sarili, believe in my skills po at wag dapat ako matakot na ibahagi ko to sa iba po o ibahagi ko po ito sa aking teammates po.
So at least you are aware of your hidden skill, talent na lumabas, di ba? So hindi dapat ikahiya, kundi have courage to share it with others. No, maganda yung pananaw na yan. And you are, ano mensahe mo after all the experience you have encountered, meet new people, meet parents and teachers, tapos nakita nyo, meron kayong video workshop. What lesson did you learn and what you would like to share to your televiewers?
I would like to say lang po na you should speak up, share your ideas, and share your skills. Use what you've learned for the better good of others yourself and for your community po.
How about you? So learn to share din sa iyo, di ba? Yes.
Yun lang po, huwag mahiya sa makikisama sa ka-team at nang sundin kung ano ang ini-assign ng director.
So be obedient. Kailangan din na wag tutudli sa, don't go against the wishes of the director. Kasi sa tutulan, pag director ka, you are mandating them eh. Ikaw nag-guide sa kanila anong dapat. So yung makinig is very important, di ba?
Ang gusto ko lang po sabihin is this was a very great experience po, lalo na sa amin na napili. And message ko lang po sa mga nanonood na sana hindi kayo mahiyang i-share yung talent ninyo, especially sa media literacy. Kasi isa itong way na ma-express natin ang sarili natin and marinig din ang ating boses.
So maganda lahat ang sharing nyo, no? Iba-iba ang pananaw nyo. What is important is that nakita natin yung anggulo na to have courage, learn to share, learn to be selfless, di ba? At wag matakot magsalita. And do the best you can. So nakita natin at your age, you can really become a good leader in your own way. Kahit ano pang piliin ninyo, always bring with you the values that the seminary has teach you with, di ba? So napakaganda, nakita mo itong mga senior member po, mga grade 9, 11, 12, and 2 of them are graduating. Napakagandang kanilang mapananaw at na-realize natin kung talaga ikaw ay talagang karapat-dapat sa mata ng Diyos, He will did everything to help you, to guide you. Yung kanilang team na Sano Brotherhood really won a lot of awards because they were really very impressed. The judges were very impressed yung how they took the courage to do a lot of storytelling, very, may act 1, act 2, act 3, hanggang sa at the end, ano nangyari, very clear. At isang sharing nila is that be proud of what you have. Be proud of the skill that God has given you and use the skill in a very constructive, positive way to inspire fellow youth, fellow student, that it's more important to serve God rather than to be served. At yung isang nakita natin, in-advise niya to have courage. Don't be scared to speak up. Kailangan magsalita. And I agree with them. It's about time. We need to understand them by listening to them. Kaya hindi sila dapat sabihin na takot mapagalitan o natakot mapahiya, hindi na sila magsasalita. Nowadays, with social media being very active, andyan yung threat ng AI, andyan yung threat na marami, unahan na po natin to prevent them to take over the media. Importante pa rin po to remind these young priests, they are the future leaders of the church, and kung mapalad sila, maging pare sila, at least they should be aware of what should be and what should not be, when they are dealing with people. Sana natutuhan po ninyo yung sa magandang interview natin sa kanila because it's very clear, may values formation, may courage, may obedience, at talagang they know what they are saying, they know what they are doing, and I think Immaculate Heart of Mary Seminar should be very proud of them. Ako mismo sa Anak TV, I couldn't believe that the future priests of future, sabihin natin, whatever field they're chosen, could make a very, very impressive, award-winning video na sana maisali nila at doon natin pakita, be proud of kahit sila po ay mga seminaryan, may ibubuga. Sana nagustuhan po ninyo ang episode namin hanggang sa muli dito po sa programa ng Power to Unite with Elvira.
Power to unite, bless her now with heaven's grace. May her days be crowned with mercy. Till we see you face to face. Power to unite. Today we thank you for the gift her life has spun. Glory be to God the Father, Spirit in the sun.